Hey everyone, I'm Bill. That's Bogna, and we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. And Bogna is not mic'd up today, so she is free of Cali Moto TV today. But I am getting ready to go on a business trip, and I haven't been on this thing in 2 weeks. We've been having the Ducati Monster and the Ducati Super Sport in the garage, so we've been riding that. So this thing has been neglected, and I just said I got to get out and ride this thing. So I wanted to bring you guys along, let you guys in on a little update. Nothing's really changed. I've got some parts coming, and so you'll have to stay tuned. What we're going to talk about is what is going to be changing on the bike, and getting some ideas from you guys. So let's we're in Rutherford, Napa Valley. We're going to be heading back to Lake Hennessy, one of our favorite rides. So you ready, babe? Ready to roll? I will tell you guys, I have absolutely missed this bike. It's just something else. It's just something else. So let's get out here and so the last 2 weeks we've had the Ducati Monster and the Super Sport, and a blast to have, blast to ride. I think we put like 500 miles on those things, so pretty decent amount of miles on them. But talk about decent amount of miles, almost 1,500 miles already on the Streetfighter, guys. So that's it's pretty crazy to think that we've had this thing for about 2 months, and we have more miles than some bikes have in years. Bogna bought her 18 S1000R with like 800 miles on it, and she's already put 1,200 miles on it. So we love to ride. We love to ride. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on with the bike. I've got some parts sitting in the house, but with the world finally opening up, business is starting to pick back up. So that's been good. I won't say it came at a good time, but this whole thing kind of came at a good time because I was able to bring you guys really good content, and I had time to really work on this bike. Right now, I do have some parts sitting in the garage waiting to be put on, so stay tuned. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like button is more important than you guys know, so we need you guys smashing that like button. In fact, let's do this. If today's video gets 1,000 likes, we're gonna paint this thing. How's that? Now, I've already got a design already figured out, and there are some YouTubers that they let their secrets out, and I kind of keep some of my stuff tight-lipped because I really want to make sure that what I give you guys is original, and it's original from my mind, and what I do to this bike, look, it's what I love. So and I know that some people don't like what I do to this bike, like the forged carbon fiber. I've heard it loud and clear, but I love the forged carbon fiber, and I wouldn't turn it in for the world. So so the livery that we are doing on this bike, I've been kicking around if I'm gonna wrap this bike. I've been kicking around if I'm gonna paint it, and I've talked to Eddie, and the decision's been made. We're actually laying 4 colors of paint down on this bike, and I'm still kicked up if I'm going to do matte or gloss. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think, what you guys like, matte or gloss. It could go either way with the design that I have, so let me know what you guys think. And I'll give you guys some hints. It is it is my favorite livery by Ducati on one of their bikes. So it is a Ducati livery, and yeah. I miss this thing. All right, let's get over to Total Rock. So there's our rock pile. You guys know the rock pile. So you guys know this road, and if you don't, woo, stay tuned because one of my faves, baby. So the livery, yeah, I'm really excited. I actually had it taped up in the garage a couple weeks ago, and sent pictures over to Eddie, and he is game. So stay tuned. But I gotta get some likes, you guys. I gotta get the likes. So smash that like button so we can get this thing taken care of and painted up. And comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Give me some input because I really love the positive output that I've gotten, or input that I've gotten from you guys. I have to thank you guys so much because you guys are absolutely amazing with all of the feedback on this bike. And I get that some things that I do you guys don't like, but like I said, it's what I like. It's what I like. So yeah, so I'm heading out to give you guys a little background if you guys are wondering and what I do. We'll kind of mix this in, throw this in since we got about another 8 minutes of a ride. So I'm leaving tomorrow to Oklahoma City. Actually, I'm heading to Chickasha, Oklahoma, baby. And there's one flight into Oklahoma and from Sacramento, and it now arrives. Originally, it arrived at 10 o'clock, and now they've changed it to arrive at 10:50. And all the rental car places at the airport shut down at 10 o'clock. So I have to stay near the airport now instead of at Chickasha. Chickasha is about an hour away from Oklahoma City. So flying in Oklahoma City tomorrow. I gotta stay there tomorrow night. I gotta drive an hour to Chickasha, work for the day. Then I gotta drive back to Oklahoma City and catch the next flight on Wednesday morning, which is the only flight out of Oklahoma City to Sacramento. So it's literally like the very last flight of the day is what comes in, and the very first flight leaves out of there. So it's pretty crazy. If you guys are wondering what I do, I don't do anything exciting. So I have my own business, and I repair medical equipment. And so when you go to the eye doctors and you get a pair of glasses made, the machines that make those eyeglasses, those are the machines that I repair. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna be slowing down here a little bit. We saw this ambulance pass by earlier, so yeah, so that's what I do. It's absolutely nothing exciting. I think Bogna's got a more exciting job, so I'll let you in since we've got some time. And I did leave her. I left her back there a little bit. Whoops. Sorry, babe. So Bogna works for Game Show Network, the GSN, and she is a senior marketing manager for an app game. So if you guys play your little app game, and you know, if you pay $1.99 in that app game, they'll give you 50 hearts. So Bogna puts those ads in front of you. So that's her job, is to put those ads in front of you and make you guys spend that $1.99 to spend $2.99 to spend with another company that she used to work for, hundreds of thousands of dollars people spend in these app games. So yeah, so if you guys want to check it out, it's Tri-Peak Solitaire. It's in the App Store. Go check it out. Babe, I was just, Bogna's finally behind me, and we're setting it up, but we're not mic'd up. I was just giving Tri-Peak Solitaire a plug, babe. Hey, just tell them to go spend $1.99 to keep you employed. So it's just telling them my travel plans and what we're going to be doing this week in Oklahoma, or what I'm going to be doing in Chickasha. Chickasha, Oklahoma, babe, is home of the fighting chicken. I'm not sure. I believe that's correct. If you know Chickasha, comment down below and let me know if this is correct, because as you guys know, we have a fighting chicken at home. Bailey, the macaw, we call him a chicken. Our little chicken. I love that. I love that chicken. But Chickasha is home of the fighting chickens, apparently. So, is it inappropriate to pass the ambulance? Okay, it's just me. I wasn't quite sure. Like, yeah, how does this work, right? Yeah, something like that. So we'll cruise along. I think we'll stop up here at the winery and give you guys a little walk around on this thing and give you a farewell. But yeah, what's going on with your bike, babe? Are we gonna do anything on this thing? Well, I mean, you gotta purchase some parts. I'll tell you what has been on the agenda this weekend is this new car that she has, which she absolutely loves, the Q60 Red Sport 400. I mean, the thing is, it's a pretty amazing car, so we're really happy with it. Happy that she got it. So yeah, plans are in the works for that. So if you guys are into the Q60, let us know what do we need to do. She's looking at exhaust. We're looking at AFE, or what's the other one called? Tremendous Fast Inventions. Let's stop up here, babe. Fast Inventions exhaust. So let us know what you guys think. She definitely needs some exhaust for that Q60. But this is the Summerston Vineyard. If it looks familiar, this is where we did our versus ride for our Ducati Monster versus the Streetfighter. Streetfighter all the way. I love this thing. I think the biggest issue that I had with that Ducati, babe, was it was just I got on it thinking that I'm on this thing, and it just wasn't there. This thing is it's just unbelievable. What's up with this S1000R? Oh, jeez. Sorry, babe. Look, if your car was there, you'd be looking at your car, and I'd be looking at my bike. Oh, look at this thing. All right, guys. Well, just I wanted to bring you guys along on a quick ride up here, and we just had to get out of the house and get on our own bikes finally. She loves that thing. I love this thing. Thanks for sticking around. Make sure you hit that like button. Like button's more important than you guys know. So like. Subscribe. Ring the bell notification. What else do we got? Comment down below. Very active in the comments. Thank you guys very much. And let's get those 1,000 likes so we can paint this thing. 1,000 likes, I'll paint the bike. Wagner didn't get her 500 likes. What were the 500 likes for? Hasn't come out yet. She stole the bike one day. All right, guys. We'll see you next video. Bye, guys.